can I give you an acting challenge?
Okay.
I'm going to show you a line, and then I'm hoping that you could do it with as much weight and gravity to it as possible.
Okay.
It's a pretty serious line. I'll say action. Action.
Don't you ever fart on my tits again.
Hey guys, you ready to let the dogs out?
What?
Do what?
You actually gonna wear that?
It's where I keep all my things. Get a lot of compliments on this. Plus, it's not a man purse, it's called a satchel. Indiana Jones wears one.
There you go. That's the stuff. I like the intensity. Eye of the tiger. Good.
It's not illegal, it's frowned upon, like masturbating on an airplane. You guys might not know this, but I consider myself a bit of a loner.
Hutchie.
But when my sister brought Wolf home, I knew he was one of my own.
Hutchie, come here.
And my wolf pack, it grew by one. So were there were two of us in the wolf pack. I was alone first in the pack, and then the wolf joined in later.
We better get a move on. Oh, enemy, enemy, enemy. You see them? In the open. Alright, they're going to be coming up behind us now. Where's cover? There's cover over there. Well. Where?
There's a dead guy here, so.
Do you think they'll come all the way around or in front of us? Because this might be better cover. We could split it up. Oh, behind us! Behind us! I'm out, I'm out. Fucking get him! Well, that was a long run for him. He just ran all the way from small into there to get shot. Hutchie! Yeah? Oh yeah. Is he shooting a pistol? You're going left.
Yeah, I know. Win.
Yeah.
Watch our rear. Watch our rear.
Yeah, I am. Look, Hutchie, lie down on the floor where I am. You got bit more cover. Nowhere near us. It's the other side of the helicopter.
You're going to try and tag round, so you do know that, don't you?
Yeah, shall we run?
Where to?
I don't know, is that the boundary behind? we've got the most. Where are we going to? Well, there's a bit of cover behind, like a mound behind us. Get in cover, get back, get back.
You guys, did you see his body?
Got one. Well, don't peek right, don't peek. I don't know how safe it is, I can't see from here. I'll take the guy that was shooting at you. Try and get him. But you're covering right now, okay? Yeah. Oh, far left, watch out. Got him. There, he's dead, Yeah, just one. Don't peek him, just let him do his thing. I got this guy. Well played, mate! Okay, left is all clear now. We can probably move around if you want.
That was a hit. He's dead.
Is he dead?
Yeah.
You caught him?
Yeah.
All right, should we bug out now?
Where to?
Just come with me. Trust me. Trust me. Ugh. Yeah, I'm fine.
VH1 executive said, "There's nobody watching the show." And then Zach said, "Well, some people are watching the show." The VH1 executive said, "Not enough people are watching the show." And then the show got canceled.